If you love fried rice, you will love this steamed rice bowl. Let's cut the sausage into slices. Rinse rice until water is clear. Now add the vegetables and cranberries evenly over the rice. Add Korean barbecue marinade and 1.5 cups of water. Then cover and bring it to a boil and turn down the heat. Let it simmer for about 5-6 minutes. Finally, we'll add sausage slices. Then cover, let it simmer for another 5 minutes or until liquid is totally absorbed. Now it's done. This delicious steamed rice bowl is finished. Simple but delicious and healthy. Everything in one pot.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.